Next, we'll crochet the wings of the chick. Take your yarn and begin with a magic ring. First, single crochet 6 in the ring. We tightened the coil. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Our first round is completed. Chain 1 to start the second round of crocheting. Now, work to single crochets into each stitch to create 6 increases. After completed, slip stitches into the first stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the third round of crocheting. Work a sequence of 1 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat this 6 times. Single crochet and 1 increase stitch. The first set is done. Start the second group. Single crochet increased. The third group. The fourth group. The fifth set. The sixth group. After completion, slip stitches into the first stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the fourth round of crocheting. For rounds 4 through 6, just work 18 single crochets in each round. After completion, slip stitches into the first stitch to join. The 5th and 6th rounds are the same crochet method. You can do it by yourself. After the 6th round is completed, we folded the wings in half. Fold it in half and join the edges with single crochet. Then make a chain stitch to lengthen the loop. You need to crochet 2.